10 health benefits of Kiwano fruit. Kiwano fruit, also known as the horned melon or African horned cucumber, is a spiky, orange-skinned fruit with a jelly-like green interior. Native to Africa and now grown in other warm regions, it offers a refreshing, mildly sweet taste. But beyond its unique appearance, Kiwano is packed with nutrients that offer a range of health benefits. Here's a simplified breakdown of the top 10 ways this exotic fruit can support your health. 1. Rich in antioxidants, Kiwano is full of antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. These protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and help keep your body strong and healthy. 2. Keeps you hydrated. With its high water content, Kiwano is great for hydration. It also contains potassium, which helps balance fluids in your body and supports muscle function. 3. Supports the immune system. Vitamin C in Kiwano boosts the immune system by helping white blood cells fight infections and illnesses more effectively. 4. Good for skin health. Packed with vitamin A and zinc, Kiwano helps maintain healthy skin. These nutrients support wound healing and protect the skin from aging and damage. 5. Aids digestion. Kiwano is a good source of fiber, which helps keep digestion smooth. Its jelly-like pulp also feeds good bacteria in the gut, supporting a healthy digestive system. 6. Helps manage blood sugar. With low sugar and high fiber, Kiwano can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's a smart choice for people trying to control their glucose intake. 7. Supports heart health. Potassium in Kiwano helps lower blood pressure and protect the heart. Antioxidants also support blood vessels and reduce the risk of heart problems. 8. Boosts brain function. Kiwano contains magnesium and zinc, which support memory, focus, and overall brain health by helping the nerves and brain cells communicate properly. 9. Helps with weight control. Low in calories and high in fiber, Kiwano makes you feel full for longer. It's a good snack for those watching their weight without giving up nutrition. 10. Has mild antimicrobial effects. Early studies suggest Kiwano may have natural compounds that fight off some bacteria. This adds a small layer of protection to your immune system. Kiwano fruit isn't just an eye-catching tropical treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that benefit your body in many ways. From hydration and heart health to skin and brain support, it's a smart and tasty addition to your diet. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.